Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Pacific Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Your correct answer is option C, Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean, covering more than 30% of the Earth's surface. Which river is known as the longest river in the world? A. Nile. B. Amazon. C. Yangtze. D. Mississippi. Your correct answer is option A, Nile. The Nile River is approximately 6,650 kilometers long and is traditionally considered the longest river. Which lake is the largest freshwater lake by surface area? A. Lake Superior. B. Lake Victoria. C. Lake Baikal. D. Caspian Sea. Your correct answer is option A, Lake Superior. Lake Superior, located in North America, is the largest freshwater lake by surface area. Which sea is the saltiest body of water on Earth? A. Dead Sea. B. Red Sea. C. Black Sea. D. Arabian Sea. Your correct answer is option A, Dead Sea. The Dead Sea has high salinity, making it extremely dense and buoyant. The Amazon River flows through which continent? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. South America. D. Australia. Your correct answer is option C, South America. The Amazon River is the second longest river in the world and flows through South America. Which of the following rivers does not flow into the Arabian Sea? A. Narmada. B. Tapi. C. Godavari. D. Sabarmati. Your correct answer is option C, Godavari. The Godavari River flows into the Bay of Bengal, not the Arabian Sea. Which Indian lake is a saltwater lake? A. Vula Lake. B. Dal Lake. C. Chilika Lake. D. Loktak Lake. Your correct answer is option C, Chilika Lake. Chilika is the largest coastal lagoon in India and has brackish water. Which ocean is located at the North Pole? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Southern Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Your correct answer is option D, Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean surrounds the North Pole. Which of the following seas is enclosed and not connected directly to an ocean? A. Mediterranean Sea. B. Caspian Sea. C. Arabian Sea. D. Red Sea. Your correct answer is option B, Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea is the largest enclosed inland water body. Which river is known as the Ganga of the South in India? A. Krishna. B. Kaveri. C. Godavari. D. Mahanadi. Your correct answer is option C, Godavari. Godavari is the second longest river in India and is called the Ganga of the South. Which of the following processes is not part of the water cycle? A. Evaporation. B. Precipitation. C. Photosynthesis. D. Condensation. Your correct answer is option C, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a plant process and not a direct part of the water cycle. The process of water vapor turning into liquid is called A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Sublimation. D. Infiltration. Your correct answer is option B, condensation. Condensation is when water vapor cools and becomes liquid water. Rainfall is a result of which process in the water cycle? A. Evaporation. B. Runoff. C. Precipitation. D. Infiltration. Your correct answer is option C, precipitation. Precipitation includes rain, snow, and other forms of moisture falling from clouds. Which part of the water cycle adds water to the atmosphere? A. Condensation. B. Runoff. C. Evaporation. D. Precipitation. Your correct answer is option C, evaporation. Evaporation turns surface water into vapor, which enters the atmosphere. What drives the water cycle? A. Wind. B. Moon. C. Sun. D. Earth's rotation. Your correct answer is option C, sun. The sun provides energy for evaporation and drives the entire water cycle. Water vapor changes into ice directly during which process? A. Melting. B. Freezing. C. Deposition. D. Sublimation. Your correct answer is option C, deposition. Deposition is the direct change from gas to solid. The movement of water through soil and porous rocks into the ground is called A. Infiltration. B. Runoff. C. Precipitation. D. Condensation. Your correct answer is option A, infiltration. Infiltration allows water to enter the soil and replenish groundwater. What is transpiration? A. Movement of water from roots to leaves. B. Release of water vapor by plants. C. Absorption of water by soil. D. Rain formation. Your correct answer is option B, release of water vapor by plants. Transpiration is the evaporation of water from plant leaves. Which stage of the water cycle involves water flowing over the land? A. Infiltration. B. Precipitation. C. Runoff. D. Transpiration. Your correct answer is option C, runoff. Runoff is when water flows on the land surface to rivers and lakes. Clouds are formed during which process of the water cycle? A. Evaporation. B. Precipitation. C. Condensation. D. Runoff. Your correct answer is option C. Condensation. Clouds form when water vapor condenses into droplets. Water stored below the Earth's surface is called A. Surface water. B. Groundwater. C. Rainwater. D. Seawater. Your correct answer is option B. Groundwater. Groundwater is found in aquifers below the surface. Which of the following is a source of surface water? A. Well. B. Borewell. C. Lake. D. Tube well. Your correct answer is option C. Lake. Lakes, rivers, and ponds are surface water sources. Groundwater is mainly replenished by A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Precipitation. D. Infiltration. Your correct answer is option D. Infiltration. Infiltration of rainwater into the soil replenishes groundwater. Which human activity reduces groundwater levels? A. Afforestation. B. Water harvesting. C. Over-irrigation. D. Mulching. Your correct answer is option C. Over-irrigation. Overuse of water for farming reduces groundwater levels. Which structure helps in groundwater recharge? A. Dams. B. Rooftop harvesting. C. Desalination plant. D. Hydropower station. Your correct answer is option B. Rooftop harvesting. Rooftop harvesting collects rainwater and recharges the groundwater. Which of the following is a surface water resource? A. Pond. B. Hand pump. C. Borewell. D. Deep well. Your correct answer is option A. Pond. Ponds are surface water sources. Which one is a threat to groundwater quality? A. Rainwater harvesting. B. Organic farming. C. Industrial waste leakage. D. Drip irrigation. Your correct answer is option C. Industrial waste leakage. Leakage from industries can pollute groundwater. The water table is A. Water stored in a tank. B. The top level of groundwater. C. A measuring device. D. A type of river. Your correct answer is option B. The top level of groundwater. The water table is the upper surface of underground water. Which of these helps conserve both surface and groundwater? A. Deforestation. B. Urban expansion. C. Rainwater harvesting. D. Mining. Your correct answer is option C. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting stores rainwater and helps recharge groundwater. Which is not a natural source of water? A. Rivers. B. Lakes. C. Desalination plant. D. Oceans. Your correct answer is option C. Desalination plant. Desalination plants are man-made systems to purify salt water.